Welcome back to my channel. Today the spotlight falls on the highly anticipated next-gen 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid. But before we dive into detail, please subscribe, like, and share this video with your fellows. Feeling the anticipation for the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid, it's a buzz you can't ignore as Honda reintroduces one of their all-time favorites. The 9th generation saw the Civic Hybrid badge dropped and replaced by the Insight Hybrid. But, as they say, what goes around comes around. With the Insight now discontinued, the stage is set for a triumphant return of the Civic Hybrid. As we gear up for the 2025 model year, we're all asking the same question. What can we expect from the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid? Honda has confirmed that the Civic Hybrid will return in sedan and hatchback forms. The production of these future-forward vehicles is set to kickstart in 2 phases. The sedan will hit the production line in 2024 at Honda's Alliston, Ontario plant. Following closely will be the hatchback, with production beginning at the Indiana factory. This reintroduction is in line with Honda's vigorous push towards electrification and the promotion of electric cars. With the company's prologue making waves, it's no surprise that Honda is re-establishing the hybrid variation in the Civic lineup. It's a smart move, strategically placing a hybrid model within one of Honda's most iconic and beloved brands. Under the hood, the Civic Hybrid will be powered by a 2-liter Atkinson inline-4 and a 2-motor hybrid powertrain. Details are still under wraps, but if we were to compare it to the CR-V Hybrid, we could expect a power output of about 204 horsepower. The CR-V achieves this with a similar setup using a 2-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder and a hybrid system. This is an exciting time for hybrid enthusiasts and loyal Honda fans alike, as we look forward to the return of the Civic Hybrid. With production starting in 2024, we can expect to see the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid on the roads and in showrooms by 2025. The journey towards a more sustainable future continues, and Honda is paving the way with its innovative hybrid technology. So, does the return of the Honda Civic Hybrid make sense to you? Honda's commitment to a greener future is clear, and the Civic Hybrid is a significant part of that vision. With its anticipated return in 2025, the Civic Hybrid promises to deliver both efficiency and performance, all wrapped up in a package that's unmistakably Honda. Your thoughts on this matter are valuable. Do you think the return of the Civic Hybrid is a step in the right direction? Or do you believe Honda should focus on other areas? We're eager to hear what you have to say, and if you haven't already, do consider hitting that subscribe button. Not only does it help us continue to bring you the latest updates, but it also ensures you never miss out on any upcoming videos. For more in-depth discussions and the latest news on EVs, don't forget to visit www.ev-riders.com. We look forward to hearing your thoughts on the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid. See you in the next video.